In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify Favicon step by step. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab and bookmarks. It's a small detail that makes your brand look polished and easier to recognize. Before we begin, have a square icon ready, ideally a transparent PNG at 32 by 32 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels. Bigger square images also work. Shopify will scale them down. Start by opening your Shopify admin and signing in. From the main dashboard, make sure you're on the home view so the left-hand navigation is visible. In that sidebar, find Online Store and select it. This opens the Sales Channel area where you manage your storefront. Under Online Store, choose Themes to see your current theme and any drafts you're working on. If you have multiple themes, make sure you're editing the one that's currently live or the draft you plan to publish. Next, open the Theme Editor. You might see a button labeled Customize or Edit Theme. Click that to enter the editor. Once you're in, look for the Theme Settings panel. Depending on your theme, this may appear as a settings icon or as a section in the left panel. Open the section labeled Logo and Favicon. Inside Logo and Favicon, locate the Favicon setting and click Select. This opens your file library. If your favicon graphic is already in your library, click it to highlight it. If it's not there yet, use the Upload option to add your image, then select it. Pick a clean, high-contrast version of your brand mark so it stays legible at tiny sizes. When you've chosen the right image, confirm by clicking Done. Now save your changes. Look toward the top right of the editor and click Save. This writes the new favicon to your theme settings. After saving, exit or minimize the editor and choose the option to view your store. Your site will open in a new tab, and you should see the updated favicon in the Browser tab within a few seconds. If you don't see the change right away, don't worry. Browsers often cache favicons. Try refreshing a couple of times, opening a private or incognito window, or clearing your browser cache. Also, remember that if you updated a draft theme, you'll need to publish that theme before the favicon appears on the live site. That's it. You've updated your Shopify favicon, giving your store a professional, branded touch in every browser tab and bookmark. Thanks for watching.